There absolutely have been, yes. I actually walked through Green Park to get here this evening, a good smattering of leaves. And I think this gives you a good indication of how unseasonably strong the winds have been today. There's these branches littering the park, and this isn't the biggest one I could find, to be perfectly honest with you. For the rest of this evening, it will remain breezy, and there will be more of the cloud that we've seen gathering throughout this afternoon. Now, the reason it's all happening is because we've got a deep area of low pressure north of the UK. Now, that today has been bringing us really strong winds, 111 miles per hour over the unpopulated parts of the Scottish mountains. And even in the south of the country, there was one gust recorded of 47 miles per hour at London Heathrow Airport. Now, this is perfectly normal for October, but not when the trees were in full leaf in May. So the cloud that's come with it has been wrapped around that low pressure system, and that's what's worked its way through as we've gone through the afternoon. There's still a bit more to come. But throughout the rest of this evening, that cloud might give us 1 or 2 spots of rain. It started actually already, but not very much, nothing more than a couple of millimetres really as we go through the first part of tonight. Most of tonight will be clear behind this cloud, and the winds will be easing down all the time, thankfully. So by the early hours of tomorrow morning, we're looking at a temperature between 7 and 9 degrees Celsius. So a bit of a cool start to the day tomorrow when you head off to work, but it will be under sunny skies, and apart from a bit of cloud coming and going throughout the afternoon, it will be a largely fine day. The wind will pick up throughout the morning into the afternoon, but it won't be as strong as it's been today, and we'll get a decent temperature around 19 degrees Celsius by the afternoon. But gardeners beware, overnight into Wednesday it really will be very chilly. In some parts of the rural areas we may get to 4 degrees Celsius. Now, you know, if your garden is in a prone spot for frost, it won't be good news for the veggies, it's worth noting. But I should think the flowers at the Chelsea Flower Show will be coping very well, and as you go, if you're heading off that way throughout the next few days, expect a lot of fine weather, a bit more cloud and a bit cooler by the end of the week, Mike.
Thank you, Wendy.